Have you ever used a headline that you thought was irresistible, only to see your traffic spike for a moment and then completely tank? It's a feeling I know all too well. Hi, this is Farhad, and since 2005 I've worked at the intersection of sales, marketing, and human behavior, helping businesses understand what truly drives their customers. Today, I'm sharing how clickbait headlines sabotage my SEO and how I fought back to reclaim my rankings and engagement. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll learn how to craft headlines that not only grab attention but also build trust and drive meaningful results. Let me start by admitting something. I used to fall for the allure of clickbait headlines. I'd craft titles designed to get as many clicks as possible. Bold claims, exaggerated statements, and sometimes even headlines that didn't fully match the content. At first it worked. Traffic surged, clicks rolled in, and I thought I'd cracked the code to SEO success. But then I noticed something troubling. My bounce rates were climbing, my rankings were dropping, and my audience was becoming less engaged. The short-term gains I saw were quickly overshadowed by long-term damage to my site's performance and reputation. Here's the problem with clickbait. While it might get people to click, it rarely keeps them on your page. Misleading headlines create false expectations. When visitors land on your site and don't find what they were promised, they leave immediately. This high bounce rate sends a strong signal to search engines that your content isn't relevant or valuable, which hurts your SEO rankings. Even worse, it damages trust. When your audience feels tricked, they're less likely to return, share your content, or engage with your brand. I learned this the hard way, and it was clear that my headline strategy needed a complete overhaul. So, what was the turning point? It was realizing that authenticity and trust are far more powerful than short-term tricks. I started focusing on crafting headlines that were not just intriguing, but also honest and reflective of the content they represented. I discovered that a great headline doesn't just grab attention, it sets the tone for a positive user experience. By aligning my headlines with the actual value of my content, I was able to rebuild trust with my audience and improve my SEO performance. Now let's talk about how you can implement this strategy for your own site. First, use emotional triggers in your headlines. People respond to emotions like curiosity, excitement, or even fear, but the key is to balance intrigue with authenticity. For example, instead of writing, "You'll never believe this SEO hack," you could say, "How this simple SEO hack boosted my rankings overnight." It's still intriguing, but much more honest. Second, test the effectiveness of your headlines. Tools like CoSchedule's Headline Analyzer or ShareThrough's Headline Optimizer can help you measure the impact of your titles and suggest improvements. Pay attention to factors like readability, sentiment, and word choice. Remember, even small tweaks can make a big difference in performance. Third, and most importantly, always deliver on the promise of your headline. If your title promises a guide, make sure the content is comprehensive and actionable. If your headline teases a shocking result, explain it clearly in your content. This builds trust and encourages visitors to stay on your page, engage with your content, and return for more. To wrap things up, here's what I want you to remember. Clickbait may deliver quick wins, but it's a losing strategy in the long run. Authentic, audience-focused headlines build trust, improve engagement, and drive sustainable SEO success. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more actionable tips, and leave a comment below to share your thoughts or questions about crafting effective headlines. Let's start a conversation and learn from each other. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.